Hey everybody, MortgageSeth here, currently working with my team in California, Florida, and North Carolina. Today, the topic for discussion is down payment assistance programs. If you're a first-time home buyer or if you haven't been in the market for a while, you're wondering how much down payment do you actually need to buy a house? It's one of the most common myths. A lot of people will say that you need 20% down. There's some advantages to putting more down payment, but it's not necessarily the minimum that you need to put. Usually it's just 3 or even 3.5%. There are great programs out there to help you if you're short on the down payment fund. There's programs that are run by states and municipalities. And for example, in California, there's two main organizations that help home buyers with down payment assistance fund. One is called the California Housing Finance Association, and the other is called Golden State Finance Association. And both of those are bond programs to get money from the state to help provide first-time home buyers or low-income home buyers with down payment assistance for the down payment and also for closing costs. There's some really good options that are out there. It's important that you understand the details of how these programs work though. Sometimes they'll come with higher interest rates, so your monthly payment might be a little higher. Sometimes there are loans that have to be paid back within a certain amount of time, but a lot of times there's huge advantages and even grant programs if you're in certain occupations like police, firefighters, military. Even if you're just a hospital worker, you can still qualify for some of the medical-based grant programs. So let me help you out with the down payment programs. I'm here to give you all the information that you need so you can make the best decision. Might not always be the right fit. There might be higher costs or higher interest rates associated with it. So it's important you talk to somebody in your area that can help you with the specific programs for your state and your locality. MortgageSeth, have a great day. Let me know how I can help.